How can you let go when you're still holding on? And how does that stop you from changing your mindset? Welcome to Inner Warrior, where I help pop culture fans overcome life's obstacles with tips and tools to unleash their inner warrior. Say what you will about Star Wars The Last Jedi, but there's two quotes that continue to stick with many people. And not just because of Adam Driver's manic energy as Kylo Ren. One is on a thumbnail. You're still holding on! Let go! We tend to hold on to the old version of ourselves whenever we try to make a change. Part of the reason is because we may feel uncomfortable as a new version of ourselves. But that, like the initial awkwardness of riding a bike, will pass. Another reason is because we're afraid of letting go of the past, even if it hurts us. Again, this has to do with sticking to what is comfortable and known, even if what's comfortable isn't good for us. We like the mindset that money is the root of all evil, or that it's greedy to have money. But if we actually want to enjoy the experiences money brings, such as vacations, travel, experiences, security, then we need to let our old versions of ourselves die. Which brings me to that other famous line from Kylo Ren. Let the past die. Kill it if you have to. This is definitely a Neville Goddard idea in that we have the old man being used generally here, which is the version of us without our desire, and that we need to let the old man die so that the new man, the version of us that has our desire, can live on. You need to get a bit uncomfortable to make a change and to let the old man die. Letting the old man die will not be comfortable for most people. The old man is the one that says to go home after work and just relax instead of building your side hustle. The old man is the one that says you're good where you are and it's better to struggle here than put yourself out there to struggle. The old man calms you into a false sense of security. But you have to let the old man die. He'll keep you stuck where you are as long as you let him live. You're still holding on to the old man, the old you, your old mindsets. You need to let go. Let the old man die. Get uncomfortable. Kill the old man if you have to. How do you kill the old man? Before we get into that, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're gaining some value from this video. So how do we kill the old man? By paying him no mind, keeping your focus away from the old man and placing it all onto the new man, the new you. You're the new man that doubled your income. You're the new man that has a successful business. You're the new man that is okay with being uncomfortable for a bit of time, like when learning to ride a bike, until your habits form around a new version of you. To learn more about staying motivated as the new you, check out this video here. Question of the day. What were you holding on to that you now choose to let go? Leave it in the comments below. Also, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if this video has given you value. If you would like to learn how to make a comic, check out this playlist here. Or, if you want to see more of my Law of Assumption, Law of Attraction videos, check them out right here.